The next thing I want to show you is how to add overlay or overlay footage. This is going to be important if you are having a talking head video and then you want to show some example footage. And how you would do that is on your timeline, just go to the place where you want to add that footage and then tap the overlay button down here. Here you can tap add overlay, and then here you can select the footage that you want. So for example, it already shows what footage is added to our video, but I'm just going to tap this B1 here to add. You could again go in here and trim the part of the video that you want to include as your overlay. Tap that and then tap add. So what happens is it adds this clip beneath the main footage. Now, even though it's beneath the footage, it's on top of the video on our actual preview on the video itself, as you can see here. You can go up here, tap it, move it around, move it up, down. So you can imagine if I was doing a different type of video where I'm doing some sort of explainer, I'm on camera, and then I want to cut to some B-roll of something. Maybe I'm talking about bees in my garden. I might want to add this footage here. You can make it full screen if you want, or you can just put it somewhere on the video itself there. It's on the timeline here below, and same, we can cut the beginning or end. You likely wouldn't want this covering both of these, so I'm just going to trim it to the beginning and the first clip. And then I wanted to show you how you add transitions to any sort of other overlay footage. This could be an image, it could be text, it could be anything that you add on top. When you select that clip, that overlay, down below you have this animations option, and here you have an in and an out, so the entrance and the exit of it, or a combo where it does both. And so for example, if we want to add an entrance transition, we can select one of these. So maybe it's a zoom in, maybe it's a fade in, maybe it's any of these could be kind of cool for introducing this new footage. And then in the out, we can select any of these outs, and you could adjust the timing of these as well down below. So if we want to extend the transition, make it slower, you have the entrance, you can make it slower or faster at the beginning as well. And now we can accept that with a little check mark. And now this footage has a transition in and out. So that could be kind of cool for titles or other B-roll stickers, things that you add to the top of your footage. I'm going to delete this clip because I don't want it on my video, but I just wanted to show you how you can add B-roll and overlays using that overlay option. And let me actually just undo that one more time just to show you. So here I am on my main timeline. We don't see that clip anymore, except we see this little bubble and the red line, and that shows us that there's an overlay on this part of the clip, the video. So just tap that and it opens up the overlay menu to see that. So again, expanding, contracting so that we see it. I'm going to delete that footage. And that is overlays. So in the next lesson, we will be looking at color correction, both adding filters and quick grading, but also more advanced adjustments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you there.